Welcome. This meditation is designed to help you begin developing your remote viewing abilities by strengthening your inner perception and awareness. Remote viewing is the ability to receive subtle impressions beyond your physical senses. And like any skill, it takes time, patience, and consistent practice. In this session, you'll learn to relax the mind, let go of expectations, and gently tune into the impressions that naturally arise. There is nothing to force, just an openness to notice and develop what is already within you. Find a comfortable position. Sitting or lying down is fine. Allow your body to relax, gently closing your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in and exhale slowly. Again, inhale deeply and exhale, letting go of any tension. One more time. Breathe in and release. Now bring your awareness to your body. Notice the points of contact. Your feet, your legs, your back, your shoulders. With each breath out, allow your body to sink deeper into relaxation. Let go of your day. Let go of expectations. There is nothing you need to force here. Now bring your awareness to the space behind your closed eyes, the inner screen of your mind. At first, you may see darkness, or faint shapes, or nothing at all. This is perfectly normal. Remote viewing is not about forcing images. It is about allowing impressions to arise. Set a gentle intention. I am open to receiving subtle impressions. I allow perception to develop naturally over time. No pressure, no urgency, imagine a soft light above your head, calm, steady, supportive. This light represents guidance, awareness, a higher level of perception that is always available to you. If it feels right, you may invite support from benevolent, high-frequency guidance, whatever you personally resonate with. Now, we begin a simple practice. Imagine a location, but do not try to fully see it. Instead, allow only the idea of a place to form. It could be a beach, a forest, a mountain. Don't build it, just allow a hint of it. Now ask gently, what impressions are here? Do not think, just notice. Maybe you sense color, light or darkness, temperature, textures. Even if it feels like imagination, that's okay. Remote viewing begins by learning the language of subtle perception. Notice if anything arises. Is it warm or cool? Open or enclosed? Bright or dim? Let impressions come and go. If your mind starts to analyze or doubt, gently return to noticing. There is no right or wrong here. Now shift slightly deeper. Imagine you are not observing from a distance, but gently present within the space. Still no effort, just allowing. Ask again, what is here? Maybe a shape appears, a sense of movement, a feeling. Trust whatever arises, even if it is faint. Now remember, this ability develops with practice. Clarity comes over time, not instantly. Each session strengthens your awareness. Take a deeper breath in and exhale slowly. Now allow the impressions to fade, releasing the scene completely. Return your awareness to your body, to your breath, to the present moment. Notice how you feel: calm, aware, grounded. Take another deep breath in and gently exhale. Begin to bring small movements to your fingers, your toes. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. With consistent practice, your perception becomes clearer, more refined, more natural. There is no rush. You are simply learning to notice what has always been there.